So there is a special rule. It's called the $2,500 rule. That allows you for any specific expense that is less than $2,500 to be written off as an expense, or deduction, be written off as an expense rather than capitalized. So how do I want you guys actually utilizing this to make sure that your CPA is doing this properly on your tax returns? First of all, make sure that every invoice is $2,500 or less. So 2499 would be fantastic, okay? And if you are giving a total number, so in this case, the client had said, well, I did 11,000 repairs and 20,000 in updates. Don't give your CPA a total number. Don't tell them 11,000 and 20,000. Tell them I had $2,500 on tile and $2,379 on paint and $1,872 on carpet underlayment, whatever that is.